Hello everyone, I hope that you're all doing great. So today we will be studying the topic, the pair of two linear equations in two variables. Now, let's just understand that what does this mean. पहले हमें chapter का मतलब समझ आना चाहिए कि उस topic का मतलब क्या है. Firstly, we study that what are variables. So we have studied two things. Firstly, constants, and the next that we have studied are variables. So what are constants and what are variables? Constant, as the word literally means कुछ change नहीं होना. Constant मतलब fixed. So anything which has a fixed value, mostly numbers like 3, 2, -5 and so on are termed as constants. Constants क्यों? क्योंकि इनकी value fixed है, it doesn't change. Whereas variables, as the name suggests itself, variables means जो vary करे, जो change हो. So all the literal alphabets, variables is used for everything that changes. So all the literal alphabets starting from A, B, C, so on up to X, Y and Z are all called variables. Now what do you mean by an equation? We have studied that what is a polynomial. Polynomial क्या होता है? It is a combination of constants, variables and arithmetic operators. What are arithmetic operators? They can be plus, minus, multiply or divide. So we know that what are polynomials. Now when we equate a polynomial to 0 or maybe some other thing, suppose if I write that 2x plus 3y plus 4z square is equals to 9a plus 5b square. So this sort of thing is called an equation where we bring an equality sign. इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि जो left side पे चीज़ है, it is equal to the thing on the right side. Such kind of sentences are known as equations. Now, a linear equation. Linear का मतलब क्या होता है? Linear means degree is equals to 1. Now, what is degree? We have already studied कि degree का मतलब क्या होता है? It is the highest power of the variable in an equation or maybe in a polynomial. So if we talk about this particular side, यहाँ पर x की पावर क्या है 1, y की पावर क्या है 1, but z की पावर क्या है 2. So if I talk about the degree of the equation, we know the highest power is 2. So here the degree of the equation is 2. That means this is a quadratic equation, right? So linear equation क्या होता है? वो equation जहाँ पर degree, that means the highest power of the variable is just 1. Such kind of equations are called linear equations. So linear equation in two variables का मतलब क्या हुआ? It is an equation that means there is a left hand side and there is a right hand side in which both the sides have the maximum power to be 1, that means they are linear, and they involve two variables. For example, if I write 4x plus 6y is equals to 2. Now this involves the left hand side and this involves the right hand side. If we talk about the variables, there are only two variables in this whole equation, mainly x and y. If we talk about the degree of the variables, we find that the highest degree is 1. So such kind of equations are called linear equations. And when we need to simultaneously solve two equations, such pairs are known as pairs of linear equations in two variables. Now we will just see that how do we solve them or how do we study them. Before that, let's just recall one more thing, that the graph of a linear equation is a straight line. Remember this we have studied already in your previous class that जो भी एक linear equation होती है उसका graph कैसा होता है? Straight line. Suppose if I have an equation of the form x minus y is equals to 0, तो इस equation का graph किस type का होगा? Yes. Where this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, and this is the graph of y equals to x, or you can write x minus y is equals to 0. Okay, so now let's just see that what is a solution of an equation. Now suppose if I give you an equation 2x plus 3y is equals to 5. Now if we talk about this solution of this equation, a solution is a point which satisfies the equation. That means x और y की वो वैल्यू जो मैं इस इक्वेशन में अगर पुट करूँ तो मुझे LHS equal to RHS मिल जाए. Now we know that if we take the point 1, 1 and if we substitute the values, what do we get? So we got that if we substitute 1, 1 in the equation, we get that LHS is equals to RHS. That means 1, 1 is the solution of the equation. Now if I tell you, say put a point, suppose 1, 0. अगर हम 1, 0 इक्वेशन में डालें तो क्या इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई होगी? Let's just check. This is 2, which is not equal to 5. So we got that our equation is not satisfied by this point. So that means this is not a solution. Now I told you that graph of a equation, a linear equation, is a straight line. तो जो भी ये solution होते हैं, they are basically the points which lie on the line. So this is a both side statement in which a solution always lie on the graph of the equation, and all the points which lie on the graph of the equation are the solution. So we can write that solution point on graph of the equation. So solution is basically a point on the graph of the equation, and all the points on the graph of the equation are solution for the equations. Now let's just see that what is the pattern or what is the general formula for a pair of linear equations in two variables. So a pair of linear equations in two variables is of the form a1x plus b1y is equals to c1, and a2x plus b2y is equals to c2, where all these coefficients, or we can say constants, belong to, so a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 are all real numbers. They belong to the set of real numbers, or we can simply write that all are real numbers. And also there's one more condition that we need to keep in mind. If we write a1 square plus a2 square, that should not be 0. Similarly, b1 square plus b2 square should not be 0. Now why is this condition implied? Because अगर a1 square और a2 square 0 हो गए, which will imply कि a1 square is equals to a2 square, ठीक है? Actually minus of a2 square. So वो चीज़ possible तो नहीं हो सकती कि a1 का square equal हो जाए minus of a2 का square, because we know that a square is a positive number. So this can never happen. So इसीलिए हमने ये generalize किया.